Hello everyone, and today I'm just going to be making a quick video on some homemade armour that I just made very recently. As you can see, this is sort of pretty much all it is. I've got a relatively thick piece of metal. It's not super thick. It is sort of thick. It's not that thick. I don't know exactly the measurements. It's probably like a mil or two. I've got the straps here. First set of straps, I just drilled holes in the top little shoulder strap area here, and I just took apart some shoelaces that I had and some shoes and made this. These go over the shoulder, and then we've got another strap down here with a slip knot in the side here. If I can just pull this up, so you can tighten it up pretty easily and get a nice tight fit so the weight transfers to the waist as opposed to having all of the weight of the armour come down on these tiny little thin straps, which is good. You can still see all of the hammer marks from denting it into shape. I've got a little skirt type thing down the bottom here that goes out so that it doesn't dig in. We do have some dangerous little pointy spikes on the edge here. Normally in a proper cuirass, and the one that I was trying to make, this would connect with this, but I didn't have a sheet of metal that was big enough to make a full cuirass that did the sides as well, so I've just got the front and back plate. It's not too bad. This is what the back looks like. More or less the same, a little bit flatter, less curving over here. It's not perfect, but it's alright for my first attempt at this. And yeah. Alright, here's what the armour looks like when it's on and worn. You can see there's a little the start of the skirt that leads to where the tassets would go. I've got the breastplate. That's what it looks like from side on. There's a few exposed bits around here and here. Obviously that would be covered by pauldrons if you had a full set. And we'll just spin around. This is what it looks like on the back, and then back to the front. Not my best work, but it's alright. It works, sort of. It's pretty hard. It's relatively thick. It would probably do the job to some degree. No protection on the sides, obviously. This is more of a practice set of just making the cuirass. But yeah, homemade steel armour from, I think it was like filing cabinet pieces or something like that. Anyway, it's alright. It's not the best, but it does its job. So once you've put it on, to tighten it up, there's a little strap that goes around here, and there's a slip knot on the side, so you just pull this back, you just pull this all the way back and then round back to the front, and then it is fairly secure. It will stay on. Most of the weight goes to your hips, so you don't have to carry it with the little thin straps on the shoulder. It's just all supported by the hips, which is great. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.